Welcome and a powerful question to you. Who are you? आप कौन हैं? क्या आप जानते हैं? Do you know who you are? Another question. Do you feel you have limitless power in you? These are all questions which will be answered with your SWOT analysis. You must have seen that SWOT analysis is done for companies, businesses. Many of the problem solving approaches require SWOT analysis. But what about a human being, a man and a woman, and a child, of course? Is there a technique? Yes, there is a technique. The technique is knowing your SWOT analysis, who you are, and to explain you in more simple way whether you are an apple tree or a mango tree or a lemon tree. And it is very important because 99% of the world is moving like a headless chicken. They don't know who they are. They are not in the experience of being whole, perfect and complete, because there is fear, there is self-doubt, and I am not saying this. Survey is showing 86% of the people, this is old data, now it must be 90 plus. 86% or more people deal stress, anxiety and depression, and they are unaware about it. Yesterday when I was seeing a video, I saw that in the signs of depression, which is one of the reasons for procrastination, for not being in action. I saw the signs: eating emotionally, wanting to get away from people, like being more in their company. This is not introvert. Introvert again is a style. So can you see, it is so important for us to know whether it is a style or whether our patterns are strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. They are helping us to take action towards our goal. These are traction actions, or diverting us from our goals, distraction actions. So to do the SWOT analysis, there is a process to follow, and you can research the data again on ChatGPT, on Google. And yes, I am also one of the person. You can come on a closer connect and we can work on this, because I use this technique in my silver membership program, wherein I link the business owner and the professional with their business goals and their business structure. And when the psychometric analysis and when the genetic analysis, when this psychology is done, it really works, because the business owner, or you for the matter, at any role, you are a personality. And what is a personality, my dear friends? It is the way you think and the way you feel and the way you act. I hope you are liking this content and this is making sense to your own business, to your health area, to your money area, to your relationship. If yes, if SWOT analysis is something which is new for you, and or you know about it and you feel, yes, I have to put this in place. This is the new action I want to take for new result, because old action, I told you, they will give you old result. So what you need to do, my dear friend, is like and subscribe and comment and follow the links in the description. Spend a little time reading the description so that you can reach out to me. And yes, this is very powerful, and being in running 3 businesses and during the so many decades, during the yesteryears, being into business so closely and being a business owner my own self, I have seen that yes, time management works. We need to always update and upgrade. We need to always, I will repeat, update and upgrade. This is the way to become a millionaire, or feel that $1 million life, or feel that $1 million precious, valuable relationship, or value your own health as the biggest wealth. So what do you come to know in this analysis is, you understand whether your core competencies which come as an analysis are for the right career at whichever work or service you are offering right now. It also gives you your best learning style. Like I am an auditory learner. My left brain and right brain is, when measured, they work togetherly. It is almost same. Many people are very logical, the left brain is more. Many people are very artistic, the right brain is more. This all can be measured. I know my personality, my outer personality for the world is dove. Love is what motivates me, and you will always experience that when you are around me. So yeah, because of my personality, the way I think and the way I feel, this is so important. And internally also, my secondary personality is also a love personality. While my husband's personality is a sensitive personality, highly emotional personality, critical personality. And the more critical personality is these people, another kind, the third kind is where this personality is too much into following rules. They love following rules. Even a small child will go into detailing, would love to be a perfectionist. And there's a fourth personality, the most powerful of all, which doesn't bother, and when you realize it doesn't bother emotionally, they are strong. Even a 4-year-old child will display that strong emotion and will be decisive while the child has opened their mouth, just started learning to speak. And I have hundreds of videos in my social media, and I would love you to find me and follow me on social media, because these all are real heroes, real examples. Because as human beings, all of us are almost the same. We have the same design. The only thing is, how are we running the life? It is with our perception filter. And it is so easy to change the filter. Yeah, it is just like these frames. But this is not about knowledge only. As knowledge, I always say, will not work. What will work is your actions, and you are designed. I'm so sorry, I'm talking about your SWOT analysis. You are designed to be safe, to be in comfort zone. You are designed to procrastinate. You are designed to fight or escape, flight. Many of you feel escape, like freeze mode, when so much problem is there. So your EQ, IQ, AQ, the adversity quotient, once measured, you know yourself, who you are, how, this is like impacting you. It is impacting all your areas of life, your health, wealth, relationship, and your quality of life is your quality of relationship. And your quality of relationships is your quality of communication. Have you seen so many people who are real good in business, but while they lack in their relationships? So can you see the unfulfillment which is happening? Many people are so fit, healthy, a gym trainer, while they are broken or they don't have a good relationship. Many people who have so much time for their family and relationship, while they don't have money, they are broke. So when you put all these puzzles together, the puzzle is you and the outer world. You are creating the outer world, because here comes another secret. Your outer world is just a printout of your inner world. I will say it again for you because I care for you. Your outer world is a printout of your inner world. Yes, if I make 4 quadrants here, the physical world is just an output, a printout of your emotional world, your social world, and your spiritual world. So it's always a good idea to work on your own self. If anybody comes to me for their business expansion as a business owner, or they are dealing overwhelm, or they are dealing anxiety, the simple thing, I take them, I talk to them, I work on them, is going in their inner domain. And yes, of course, there are powerful rituals, exercises. One of them, the most powerful one to tap your subconscious, is hypnosis. It works miracle. And very few people are unaware about this process. And it is so simple. So if you are liking the content, my dear friends, feel free, come join me and do like and subscribe and put your comments so that I know what do you deal, what are the problems, what do you want me to put a video on which will help you, because my purpose here is to help you. I am here for you and I am happy to serve you. And those people who resonate with me, I have a program wherein you are taken through a small start, from a small start to really understanding your own self, your time dimensions, money GPS, and your energy quotient. This is all done scientifically. And there is always, a way. This is a good inquiry you can make in your life. And believe me, your life is going to be absolutely new life. With this new view, you become a new you and a new life happens.
There should be a little real cheering.
Thank you so much for listening to me. It was a privilege to be here, and I'm there for you. I'm your time partner. So the people who don't know me, I'm Dr. NK, and I have my programs, very powerful, beautiful, very easy programs, because my philosophy is that I will hold your hand. I make you do everything step by step. And many of the people, hundreds of people, thousands of people of my parents have benefited from this. And now I want you as a business owner and professional to come closer to understand this, put this in your life and have a new life.